Hey guys, it's Maddie, and I'm just making a video for my kitty critter that I just got. Yeah, she keeps meowing. She's very nice. But yeah, I got her a few days ago. I just wanted to know what I should name her, or what her name should be. I want to know if you guys would like Shire or Raven. So yeah, I hope you like the pictures. She keeps looking at me right now and tickles. Yeah, she's a really nice cat, and I'm gonna make videos about her. Cause I really like her. She's so nice. I got her from my friend. So yeah. So I just want to know, what name do you like better, Raven or Shire?